Do you often see yourself represented in Sierra College curriculum?
Honestly, no, but the few instances in which LGBT people have come up in the classroom have, at least for me, been negative experiences. I remember taking abnormal psychology, and although our class didn't cover this chapter, there was a chapter in it called sexual disorders, and it was all about sexual disorders. And in there was a brief paragraph explicitly for lesbian, gay, and bisexual people. And that sort of mere juxtaposition of including a demographic of which I'm a part of under the chapter on sexual disorders was really negative in my eyes. And the chapter, or rather the paragraph, went on to talk about how LGBT people have to worry about increased rates of AIDS and how that's going to lead to sexual dysfunction and sexual frustration, which leads to depression and so on and so forth. But there are some instances where it's actually been positive. I took queer theory at Sierra, but at the same time I feel that queer theory is sort of a special zone for anyone who is LGBT or friendly or what have you to have that sort of discussion that will sort of develop a class specifically for that discussion to take place, and that we will then feel more justified in not talking about it in the other classes that we have at Sierra. And I think it's important to point out, though, that when talking about LGBT people in class, it doesn't have to be a sit-down sort of, okay, today we're talking about LGBT people, because, I mean, in math class, we'll have word problem examples where it'll be like, Sue and David are married and they're, doing whatever, but it's never David and Ben. It's never Sue and Sarah.